Best housekeeping robots of 2022. These days, there are a range of home robots in the market ready to assist you to check off tasks from your never-ending to-do list. Home robots, which are also called consumer robots, are described by the IEEE Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers as robots you can buy and use just for fun, or to assist you with tasks and chores. In this video, we're going to talk about the best home robots to help you out in 2022. Automatic Grill Cleaning Robot. It is the best home robot for grill cleaning. If you find your grill always seems to cling to residue after a barbecue, no matter how hard you try to get it off, the GrillBot is a handy tool that assists you to do the scrubbing and scraping on the grill grate. All you have to do is turn it on, close the grill, and once it's done cleaning, it'll notify you with an alarm. This gadget is powered by 3 electric motors, is armed with 3 nylon brushes, and can be operated on hot or cold surfaces up to 250 degrees. Plus, this unique cleaner has a push-button start with an LCD timer. The robot has a rechargeable battery, and it comes with the dishwasher-safe nylon brushes. Cleaning has never been this easy. Automower 115H. Meet Automower 115H, the best home robot for lawn mowing. Sometimes mowing the lawn when it's ridiculously hot outside is an activity best ducked. And that's where this home robot comes in. It's capable of covering 0.4 acres and cutting grass that's up to 3.6 inches tall. This robotic mower is outstanding for small to mid-sized gardens and yards. However, if you have a larger backyard, you can always get yourself the feature-rich and smart home-friendly Husqvarna Automower 430X. This robot lawnmower, which hails from the reliable brand, works very nicely and is a worthy investment. In order to get started with the Automower, you'll need to install guide and boundary wires, but then you're allowed to sit back and relax. When it comes to battery life, this lawnmower is similar to a robot vacuum and will go back to its recharging station when it requires more juice. The app is unexpectedly intuitive and effortless to use once all set up, but it does mean that the mower will be running for far longer than a traditional lawnmower would have to. Eibo Companion Robot. Have you ever wanted a dog but can't handle all that fur or rigorous walking schedule? Don't worry, we got you. We have all been there. Say hi to Eibo, the robotic pup that doesn't shed and assuredly doesn't need to go out for walks. However, you can still train it to do tricks, go potty, and eat virtual food. Although it's not a replacement for a real pet, Eibo has a vast range of sensors built in to assist to respond and react accordingly to humans. Eibo does necessitate a cloud plan to store data, grow, and evolve. Its expressions are impressively realistic. Though Eibo doesn't look like a real pet by any means, customers who got this amazing robot are still impressed with the detail and natural movements. Astro. Although Astro isn't available to the general public quite yet, this robot is notable for its home monitoring and assistant abilities, and you can appeal for an invitation to buy one now. The robot is able to check on specific rooms while you're away and notifies you when an activity occurs. Astro keeps an eye on everything. It can also play music, podcasts, and shows, bring snacks, and assist you to make calls or set reminders with Alexa. Don't feel like hunting down your kids to tell them dinner's on the table? Leave it to Astro. It can also be used with a Ring Protect Pro plan for increased home security when you're out of town. Worried this Alexa on wheels will hear everything? Turning off the mics, cameras, and motion is easy with a physical button, and you can program out-of-bounds zones like a bedroom or bathroom. Nautilus. If you have a pool in your backyard, but find it an annoyance to clean the floors and walls, we can't blame you. This robot from Dolphin is good enough for pools with a length of up to 50 feet. According to the creator, this robot filters out dirt and debris and leaves your pool clean in 2 hours. This is an effective tool for regular pool maintenance and upkeep. The Nautilus robot employs an algorithm to learn the location of obstacles, such as ladders and steps. Another very nice feature includes the patented anti-tangle swivel cable. It rotates along with the machine to allow the cord to not get tangled. Gecko Robot Window Cleaner. We all know cleaning windows can be a tiring task, but this home robot assists you to make it to all the hard-to-reach corners of your windows. The suction technology is employed to stick the robot to your windows, and you can then manually manage it through an app to get even the hardest-to-reach corners. The microfiber pads, which scrub the windows gently, are cleanable for future use. S7 Robot Vacuum and Mop. It is categorized as one of the Good Housekeeping Institute's best robot vacuums and winner of the 2021 Good Housekeeping Cleaning Awards. This 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop can manage all sorts of floors, from bare hardwood to carpets. The setup is easy, and the app is breezy to handle. The robot is praised for the high-end features, such as using sound waves to scrub and the skill to create custom cleaning schedules for individual rooms. Dash. Home robots aren't just for assisting you with household chores. They can also act as a great source for education for kids. Dash is voted one of the Good Housekeeping Institute's best STEM toys for kids. It's a robotic toy that not only answers to voice commands, but comes with 5 free apps that introduce coding and critical thinking abilities through fun projects and puzzles. It is also capable of singing, drawing, and moving around. Undoubtedly, the Dash will keep kids engaged. It also introduces robotics and coding to kids in a captivating, kid-friendly way, and can level up with them as they get familiar with the basic functions. Boost Creative Toolbox. This robot set is made for LEGO lovers and kids between the ages of 7 to 12 who are interested in coding and robots. All you have to do is download the free LEGO Boost app and it will come up with 5 different robots, ranging from a rover to a guitar or cat. Additionally, you can also build robots and kids can engage in more than 60 activities found in the app and accomplish challenges that improve coding skills. The app makes coding approachable with a simple drag-and-drop interface, teaching kids all about loops and variables while simultaneously building up problem-solving, creativity, and imaginative play skills. Once your child grows out of this robot, you can move up to the more complex LEGO Mindstorms Robot Inventor for more unique, stimulating designs to build. Vector 2.0. The Vector 2.0 is a robot sidekick whose company you won't mind. It is able to take photos, answer questions, set reminders, and steer clear of obstacles as it navigates your home. This little robot is both enjoyable and entertaining and can help you with day-to-day tasks. Vector can even respond to touch and give you a fist bump if you ask. And it identifies faces and may even greet you by name, though it does necessitate a membership subscription. ElliQ. ElliQ is a home robot companion best used for elderly folks or loved ones who are looking for additional support that you'd get with Alexa or Google Assistant. This voice-activated robot gives companionship, help, and wellness support, entertainment, and much more. For instance, ElliQ is able to start conversations and remember context to notify future follow-up conversations, like asking how your day was. It is also capable of building relationships. This home robot offers more than basic skills and features, though it does entail a subscription.